breaking news out of Ypsilanti this morning where a pickup truck has crashed into a house.
Action News reporter Smita Kaloki is there and joins us live now with more. Smita?
Well, Michael, I know you can imagine the force that that truck must have been coming with to create this kind of damage. Neighbors obviously heard the sound, came running out, and even snapped a couple of pictures. Take a look. Now, this is taken by a viewer who saw the truck go right up underneath that porch. As you can see, it caused quite a bit of damage and had to actually be towed out. Even the truck looks like it is totaled at that point. Now, this all happened right around 2 o'clock in the morning. We're told by witnesses that the truck left a nearby store and peeled right on out of there. It then came down Emmett Street, fishtailing. Now, it's possible that it was trying to avoid some of the cars that were here on Emmett Street when it rammed into the porch. And you can see the incredible damage that it has done. That truck actually took out one of the 3 pillars that is there and caused significant damage to another one. That roof is actually being held up by just a couple of wood blocks at this point. Now, incredibly, though, there is no damage to the actual house. When at the time of this accident, there were actually tenants living inside there. There are 3 tenants that live inside. There are 2 couples and another man that lives upstairs. That man was not home at the time, but the 2 couples that live on the bottom floor were home when this happened, and we're told that a witness who talked to them says they barely heard it, didn't even feel anything, which is incredible given the extensive damage that you're getting a look at right there. Now, back here live, we are told that a driver was taken into custody. As for the passenger, though, the passenger apparently ran off and was not found as far as we know at this time. We have called Ypsilanti Police, but at this time they are not reporting any further details. For now, reporting live from Ypsilanti Township, Smita Kaloki, Channel 7 Action News.
Take a look at this huge hole left.